YouTube. So right now, I'm scared for my life. We got Kenny right here. I don't know what the fuck he finna do. He probably finna kill us. But goddamn it, YOLO. Kenny, you got to put it in drive, bro. Oh shit, you put it in third gear. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Oh my god.
So, how you liking the passenger seat this time? Pretty good.
No, actually it's okay. Kenny, what you doing? Why is you driving with two?
What you mean with two?
What? Jesus, bro.
What?
Turn this way. Turn right, bro. You almost just took out the mailbox and the tree. Wow.
I never drove this before, alright?
Okay,
time, you know, Firebird, you know, classic.
Relax,
you know.
bro. Relax. Okay? It's just like a big girl.
Oh, yeah. I like big girls.
There you go. Take your time with them. Absolutely. Just take your time with them, bro. Be easy with them. Be gentle.
But it ain't no bit by the business, though, you know what I'm saying?
This isn't Kenny's first time driving. I don't know why he's acting like he can't drive.
It's my first time driving.
Mega right. Yeah, it's a car though, Kenny. It's a car though. I don't know. Maybe you guys can drive somebody else's car better or worse. I don't know. But me, I can drive any car. How I drive my car, if not better.
You know, I got the hang of it now, you know what I'm saying?
Look how he driving. 2 hands on the wheel. Oh my God. Look, bro. You gonna make this right up here. Let me see. Oh! Oh shit, I figure I'll drive out here. Slow down. If I die while doing this video, guys, just know Kenny took my life. Isn't that right, Kenny? Okay, let me get back in. So how is it so far?
It feels better.
You feel better? Are you comfortable yet?
Yeah, I got more.
You just got to be the 2 wheels in the front. That's what I tell people when they're driving. Just be the 2 wheels and just be calm. Just be calm, you know? Just be calm. Just be calm, baby. Guys, I got so much I want to do to this car right now. And every person that's into cars know that, you know, if you can do it all at once, you would. In this case, I can't yet. I'm not rich yet. But just know. I want to get that Hellcat though. You see that? The Hellcat? The red eye, the new one? 2019. No, is it 2019 or 2020? One of those. Boop, 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 boop. You're doing pretty good over there, ain't you?
Yeah, I want that all.
I'm gonna make this left up here. This guy just completely stopped when he was turning.
Look, I'm still getting used to this car. My first time driving this.
Wasn't bad, huh? Slow it down. You better watch right there. There you go. Please don't take them out.
They get paid, you know they gonna pay me.
No hell. You hit them in this car. You hit them in this car. We gotta pay them.
Nah, they gonna pay me.
I ain't paid nothing. I'm taking off on foot. I'm letting you know that right now. It sucks you can't play music. YouTube gonna copyright me. Slow down. Look at this idiot right here. Look, just look. Idiot. If there was a truck, we would have been killed, Kenny. You pulled out in the middle of the intersection.
Who?
Me, of course you.
I know you did.
Hey,
like,
dude, get over. Why you so close, bro?
What you mean? Look.
Hey, no, look, you gotta take advantage of the street when there's no cars coming on the other side. Sometimes it's okay to drive on the other side of the street when you're in the neighborhood. Yeah, don't go out on the in the real street having that mindset. Give me 2 up. Badly. Ooh, this looks so. Oh my. He's two-handing it. He's two-handing it. Oh, oh, you bad. Okay. Let's see how you park. We're gonna sit right here. Then I'm gonna grade you. Put it in park, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's the V8.
Yeah, let's take a look.
2018.
Oh, this is what it looked like when a 6'4" guy get out of a two-door Firebird. What do you guys think? Did he park okay? Yeah. Not.
Just like you, what you talking
No, dude.
Look, say this right here was
Uh-huh.
what you call it. Then I would have been perfect.
No.
Yeah.
No way in hell.
Yeah.
Not bad though, Kenny. Not bad. And when you compare it to the stop sign, huh?
This is my first time driving it.
You drove my Camaro before, right?
No.
Oh. Yes, you did. The black one? Jesus. I thought you did.
Yeah, I told you. I don't like the mother. What you call it?
This minute left my blinkers on. Hey man, look. Let me sit you guys right here. You know what? I'm gonna pick you guys back up. If you guys like Kenneth driving, be sure to like this shit, share this shit, and subscribe to this shit. Yeah. Boop. Before we end this video, you know, besides the fact that Kenny can't drive,
I can drive. What? Look like you got a second dookie.
y'all know what's going on, but look, man, y'all can do anything you put your mind to, because you got to stick to it. You know, first what you do, you envision it up here, and then you go get it. You go get it. You go get it. So if y'all like this video, please subscribe, subscribe,
and share, motherfucker.
I'm out.